Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about very famous injection, Profilo injection, the scientific composition, and its uses regarding aesthetic gynecology. Profilo injection, or the famous injection, is one, or the best, let's say, the best injection worldwide, and the most famous injection worldwide, that is containing hyaluronic acid with a purification percent of 100%. And in this injection we can obtain or take the benefit of the maximum concentration of hyaluronic acid, which is equal to 64 milligram of hyaluronic acid per 2 cc. This injection is a very famous, the most popular and the most used injection, not just for aesthetic gynecology but also for aesthetic medicine. But I'm going to talk about today just regarding aesthetic gynecology because it's my specialty, not for aesthetic medicine. Profilo injection, as I mentioned before a few seconds back, it's containing hyaluronic acid in the highest concentration all over the world, 64 milligram per 2 cc, with a purification percent of 100%. If you don't know what we mean by hyaluronic acid, or uses or benefits of hyaluronic acid, this hyaluronic acid is naturally substances that our body forming it, and the main concentration or bulk of concentration of hyaluronic acid, half of the total amount of hyaluronic acid in our body, we can find it in our skin. Other parts like connective tissue and eyes. The main function of hyaluronic acid, it retain water, so by this function it's keeping skin or connective tissue hydrated and flexible. But there are many factors that affecting the total amount or concentration in our body, especially in our skin, like for example mainly age. With the progression of age and the continuous exposure to UV sunlight, especially in Arab countries, also smoking, pollution, all these factors will affect our body, and it will decrease the total concentration of hyaluronic acid in our body. So as a sequence of decrease of the total amount, we will notice that our skin will lose its texture, will be dehydrated, and by time and progression fine wrinkles will start to appear. And if we neglect and will not treat it properly, maybe these fine wrinkles will change and will convert to deep wrinkles. For private area, the problem will be more because there are many other factors affecting private area or vulval skin. For example, let's say frequent deliveries, friction, frequent infections, less exposure to fresh air, and so as a sequences, this area will suffer from or decrease in weight, fast decrease in weight. So by time we will see that this area will lose its texture, normal texture, will lose its natural youth looking, and it will be dehydrated skin, and fine wrinkles will start to appear, and with time it will progress, as I said, to deep wrinkles. So by Profilo injection, by this injection, we are giving in a special maneuver to the private area. We are calling 5-point injections in each side. So we are keeping that this hyaluronic acid will stimulate collagen and elastin, and it will take the water from body and keep in the area of injection or the target skin. So immediately after session, patient will notice the difference. Skin will be more moisturized, dehydrated, smooth, more elasticity, stretched, and glowy. So these are all regarding cosmetic purposes, but there are other diseases or health problems we are also capable to solve by Profhilo injection. One of the most famous problems due to hormonal disturbances and postmenopausal age, all these problems, it will cause vaginal dryness. So patient will come to us complaining from vaginal dryness, from itching, from pain, from discomfort, or easily bleeding because of very soft dehydrated skin. So by injection of this hyaluronic acid that present in a high concentration in Profhilo injection, we are giving patient a very good opportunity and chance to retain the youth and strength and texture of her skin as previously. She will start to notice the result immediately after session, and by a few days she will start to feel the difference regarding dehydration, itching, and pain. Other group of medical diseases or health diseases, let's say, there are special types of diseases that anti-inflammatory. It's resembling, let's say, eczema or dermatitis in the skin, but a special type of diseases that are present in vaginal area or a private area that causing patches or itching, pain, redness, discomfort to the patient. So by injecting hyaluronic acid in special maneuver and to the affected area, we are solving these problems, and patient will need maybe more than one session, first session, and the second session we can do it after 1 month, and with time she will feel the difference before and after treatment. The important point regarding Profhilo injection, it's FDA approved. So it's safe with no complication because it's a natural substance that is present in our body. Just we are giving high concentration of hyaluronic acid to the target or special area of skin. So by this maneuver or by this method, we are solving many cosmetic and health issues.